Welcome! On this channel, we show you how to make Chinese recipes at home. Today, Chicken Xiao Long Bao. Please note the ingredients, then we will start to make the step-by-step recipe. Today, I'll guide you through authentic Chicken Xiao Long Bao. First, we gently warm our rich chicken stock without boiling. Now I dissolve gelatin and season the broth for flavor. We refrigerate this mixture until it becomes fully firm. While chilling, let's start preparing our soft dumpling dough. I knead until the dough feels smooth, stretchy, and elastic. Now we rest the dough so gluten relaxes properly. Meanwhile, let's carefully cut our chilled soup gelatin cubes. Next, we mix chicken with seasonings for balanced flavor. Now I carefully fold soup cubes into the filling. We chill this filling to prevent wrapper tearing later. Now we divide our rested dough into equal portions. I roll wrappers thin, keeping centers slightly thicker. Now we place chilled filling precisely in each wrapper. I pleat carefully, creating 16 delicate folds for sealing. Pinch small folds, rotate slowly, and seal tightly at top. Next, we prepare bamboo steamers to prevent sticking. I arrange dumplings evenly so steam circulates perfectly. Now we steam over strong boiling water for perfect texture. Look how beautifully translucent and juicy these dumplings appear. Serve immediately, enjoy carefully, and thank you for watching. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned with me for more delicious Chinese recipes.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. For more delicious recipes, visit dintaifungmenu.com.